Welcome back to Master Glass. My name is Livio, and today I am making for you a Welcome back to Master Glass with me, Livio Laro. Nope, rare and go. Welcome back to Master Glass. My name is Livio, and this is the Welcome back to Master Glass. My name is Livio, and today I am making for you the Maraschino Martini, a drink that I have created to enter into the Christmas Martini 2021 Cocktail Challenge. This challenge is brought to you by three cool guys, and one is Rob from Rob's Home Bar, another is Vino from 60 Second Cocktails, and last but not least, Dave from Booze on the Rocks. I'll leave in the description below a link to their cocktail challenge. Now, the rules for this challenge are very simple. A, it must be served in a martini glass. B, it must be festive. And three, I don't even remember. It must include the hashtag Martini Cocktail Martini Challenge 2021. Why did you guys give this such a difficult name? I love you guys. And of course, you have to submit to the contest the hashtag Cocktail Martini 2021. Now, that hashtag is also very important to all of you, because if you put that hashtag into your search bar, you will get all the cool cocktails that all the creators out there have made to submit to this contest. And of course, you win because you get a lot of great Christmas cocktails. So when I made this drink, or what my thought process behind it was to keep that gin boozy aspect of the original dry, venerable martini cocktail. So in my mixing glass, or should I say my mixing bell, I am going to add plenty of ice. And then after that, I am going to go ahead and chill this bell just so this martini is nice and cold. And then followed by that, I am going to go ahead and put in 1.5 ounces of Aviation Gin. This is a Western style gin, so it's going to be a little bit more citrusy, a little bit less juniper forward. It's going to do really well with the upcoming ingredients. And speaking of upcoming ingredient, we have Luxardo Maraschino. This is a spirit that is distilled from the Marasca cherries. It's got some nice nutty and honey notes to it. And then last but not least, I'm going to just put in 2 bar spoons of the syrup from the Luxardo Maraschino cherries. And then I'm going to give this a stir. I just want to make sure that the syrup makes its way into the drink. And then seal up this bell. And I'm going to give this a nice shake. Now, truth be told, this drink should be stirred, but I'm shaking because it's festive, it's Christmas, it's a bell. You all get that, right? Okay, and now I am going to empty the glass, which was chilling with ice. I'm going to go ahead and strain this beautiful martini right into this beautiful coupe. Okay, next I'm going to go ahead and garnish this with a nice maraschino cherry, and I'm going to float it on top with a leaf of basil. That leaf of basil not only gives me that green that I'm looking for, but it also has a really cool aroma that's going to do awesome with the ingredients of this drink. And there you have the Maraschino Martini as part of the Christmas Martini Challenge 2021. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, incredibly enough, the maraschino is playing a really important role in this because I'm getting that nice nutty honey flavor to it. The gin, I can get just the way I want it, a nice amount of citrus and botanicals. And then the syrup from the maraschino, also giving a nice weight, a touch of funky sweetness, which I'm really enjoying. And there you have it. With this video, I'll also take an opportunity to wish you all wonderful and safe holidays. To all of you out there, of course, to all the great, amazing creators on YouTube and on all the other social channels that are participating in this contest today. And I hope to see you soon.